safety information card that we give to all the passengers to read.
Brian Hall es instructor del Club de Vuelo de Actividades Aéreas de Michiana. Él ha sido instructor desde abril del año 1982, pero agarró su licencia para volar el 24 de diciembre del 1976. Entonces, cuando le pregunté qué pensaba sobre el sistema de Sirius paracaídas, dijo,
It's a fantastic system. I can't say enough about it. The Cirrus has done just a marvelous job in designing the airplane itself and incorporating safety features like this. Very few other aircraft and no other production aircraft out on the market have this particular system, and it's unique to Cirrus and just a great thing for safety.
y no es solo para pilotos, aunque no pasa seguido que un pasajero necesite convertirse en piloto en una situación de emergencia, no es imposible. Estos son los pasos que debería seguir si su piloto queda incapacitado.
In the unlikely event that you would actually need to deploy the parachute, the first thing you would do is reduce the throttle back, pull the mixture back, and this will shut the engine off. You can take and turn this to off. That shuts the fuel off to make sure that no fuel is not going to be distributed anyplace. You would pull this down. This would already be out up here. And you'd pull this handle down and grab on it and pull straight down. And at that point in time, a rocket would shoot up into the air. It would deploy the parachute and the airplane would come floating down to the ground.
Brian también me dijo que según las estadísticas, dentro de los próximos 20 años vamos a necesitar unos 660,000 pilotos, que son un estimado 30,000 pilotos al año.